I was motivated by the fact that global warming has become a very serious problem in recent years. I don't think the population is understanding this problem or taking it seriously and realizing the consequences of what will happen if we don't start to take care of our environment. I created this poster to somewhat help to relate to other people and help them to easily identify the problems that are around them. Regarding the poster, if we do not turn on the flame, figuratively speaking, the next generation will not have a place to live or even a chance at life, and I think that would be very selfish of us. We are very lucky to live in a place like Jamaica, as it's filled with fresh air, trees, and we have nature right at our doorsteps. Unlike other countries like the US and China that are struggling with high rates of deforestation and air pollution, we should really take this problem into consideration and help to save the earth.